Okay everybody, it's a wrap. Hannover Messe is coming to the end. We saw tons of innovations in the fields of automation, electrification and digitalization, 4,000 exhibitors that met visitors from all over the world, and these were the highlights.
This exhibition is basically the leading exhibition when we are talking about industrial transformation.
For me, the highlight is always meeting all the other amazing companies who are doing great things for the industry.
Wonderful panels, we had wonderful speakers and getting real, let's say, up-to-date information.
It's definitely busy. We have a lot of good contacts.
I think the diversity of the people, the companies, the number of visitors, the connects we built.
The Hannover Fair is for me the meeting of experts in industry.
And I think Hannover Messe is the place to be.
The Hannover Fair is actually the window that shows how able, how capable the German industry is. So this is like a showcase what we can achieve. The rest is political and industrial work.
What a show! That was Hannover Messe 2024. See you again in 2025.